Hey, what is up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So as you know that the Galaxy A34 just got the One UI 7 update, and if you have not already, so you can update it by simply going into the settings. Then from here you have to tap on software update, then download and install. From here you will get to see the new One UI 7 update right here. I have already installed the One UI 7 update on my Galaxy A34 and I will share my experience with you guys. Also, I was facing a lag and battery drain after the One UI 7 update, so we will try to fix that as well. So for that, simply first of all power off your device, and once your device is completely powered off, now you have to long press the volume button and the power button at once. This process was working before the One UI 7 update, but I don't know why, for some reason it is not working right now, while it was completely working fine on my Galaxy S24 Ultra with the One UI 7 update. After going into the recovery mode, you can clear the cache of your device, which will help you clear the lag and the battery drain issue. But as you can see, I am unable to access the recovery mode after the One UI 7 update. Let me know in the comment section that are you able to access your recovery mode like this or not. So we cannot go into the recovery mode, but you can go into the home screen settings. From here, tap on about home screen. Now you have to tap on this icon over here on the top right corner. From here you have to select battery, and after tapping on battery you have to select unrestricted. This might be on optimized or restricted, so you have to select unrestricted. This might consume battery, but it will end small amount of lag that were there before. Now if you want to improve the battery life, so you have to go back and into the settings, tap on battery. Now from here you have to tap on background usage limits. Now from here select this put unused apps to sleep. So it will limit the usage of your apps that you do not use by putting them into the sleep or deep sleep. It will only do this for the apps that you don't use most often. Also, there's a security feature that you guys should turn on, and I will recommend you to turn it on by going into the security and privacy. Simply turn on auto blocker. So auto blocker helps you keep your safe your device from the threats, suspicious activities and the privacy risk. And recently it has also added this maximum restrictions options. So after tapping on maximum restrictions options, it can provide extra strong protection for the people who may need it. But after turning it on, some of the features will be restricted. And now if you ask that, is it really worth updating your device on the One UI 7? So One UI 7 brings in some crazy new UI changes with the new app icons and the new control panel, but there is some lag as well. I am facing a lag and battery drain issue after the One UI 7 update on my Galaxy A34. The lag is of low amount and there is no as such big lag, but the lag is still there while opening and closing of the apps especially. So if you can compromise that small amount of lag, so you can update it. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.